Diamond Lung.
Let's go.
Cool and cruel to the bone. And I mustn't need phones. Wanna see me out, I'll be home alone. Macaulay Culkin when I'm sulking. Stubborn is something other than any other kid or old man you ever met. Mad at you too, mass. Keep head spinning. Women say he does too much. Man be like Jug, you killing them. Legendary Lex Luthor villainy. 100 hand touch style. Centipede mile. Sauce to mine. Mad dog. Plutonium number 9. I'm more like 99. Fuck it, 1,000. Who's arousing? Fools rush in and rush me. Look, honey, I'm not rushing. I'm sturdy, not rushing. But I keep a gulag where it's so sad. No wave caps or do-rags. Just bust shots and head tops. Skull fractures and skull pops. Girl stop, you know who want what? Every one of them. But I keep a fine dine selection. My left hook direction. Looping minds like Inception. Divine detection. Tactics only used by the top detectives. Yep, there's that feeling. That's that demon. Breathing out my neck again. Just giving me more fuel to fire different color flames like a multicolored fountain pen. Sounding off when I cough. Ha! Well, let me bark, get this chip off. First though I need some guards to flip off while I rip these jaws apart and sip tea. Check my stats, my crip BOP from way back like Johnny Apple. I sow seeds, follow where the crow flees. Most look, I stop, hair, smell, taste, see closely. The coast is clear, clearly over there where we should lay wait. Who need bait? Hatchet, narrow tip, eviscerate. From here, I can smell the seascape. They mustn't need capes, real deal, yeah. Wanna read about them, these cheap prints, sea scout, they follow him. Chop up ghouls and goblins, yeah, big problem, huh? I spin round 2 times, solve all of them. One swing, what? You better shoot faster. Oh, you can't shoot fast enough? That's a ha ha ha.